I am Leilani, and we're just going to learn something new today. All right. I use ChatGPT, y'all, but I use other programs too. But today we are just going to focus on ChatGPT. And what I'm going to do is show you how I create my little AI twin. There's so many ways you can do this, but this is just one of the ways. So you can upload a picture. Let me see what pictures I have. Let's use her. I'm gonna type something basic. You can get real deep, but I'm doing something basic right now to use as my content with different, don't worry about the spelling, clothes and backgrounds and poses, but using the exact same face without changing the the facial uh structure. I don't know. Don't forget the spelling, okay? Let's see what happens. It takes a minute. So I'm gonna fast forward this part and get straight to it. All right, so we are done. Let's check out those 5 photos. This is the first one. What do you think? She's not smiling, but of course we can make her smile, but I like that image. Let's go to the next one. Of course we can again make her smile, but I like that. I really like this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. I like this one as well. hmm Loving them. Loving them, loving them, loving them. So, um, tell me what you think. Let's now take one of these. Let me see which one do I want to take. I love this one the most. See, which one do I want to take over to? Let's see. So, yeah, so let's try a different photo. Let's try something else. So I did like those. Let's see if we can make her smile. I'm being real basic with the prompts. They can get real in depth, but I don't want to overwhelm you. So you can do this with basic prompts too. So let's see. Make her smile without changing her facial structure or anything about her face. Excuse the spelling, but Chat knows he's used to talking to me, so he knows that I type fast and there's some typos. So he always have my back and correct my typos. So he knows what I mean. You know. So we're just going to start out with the AI photo shoot for now. I don't want to go too deep because I don't want to confuse anybody. We're going to go step by step. So I'm going to save the talking part for the next video. So if you follow along, our next video, we're going to show you how you can make your photos talk. We even do a whole short film. See, there she is. She's got a smile now. Let's see what this one. She's smiling. That's much better. A little smile in there. Much better. Look at that. There's a smile. And there's another smile. So there we go. So this is our lesson for today. I won't go too deep, but maybe let me do one more thing. Turn this, oh shoot, into a marketing photo. You already know the chat and the brand and what I promote. You promise you I know how to spell, but he's made me lazy. PR. to where I don't even have to know how, and he just pick up the slack and correct my mistakes. So let's see, without changing my face structure in any way. Now, these are just basic prompts, so anybody could do these. And if your ChatGPT is not knowing anything about you, make sure you put in the comments, because what we'll do is we'll go to the steps of into your settings and making sure that your ChatGPT knows everything about you. So when you're typing, it'll correct things and make adjustments because it's used to working with you, and you put in the personalization settings, everything about you, so it knows you. I'm excited to see what kind of marketing product it creates. Let's see. CEOS Experience, Boss Woman Network, Houston, Empire. Look at that. Marketing material ready to go. Just as simple as that. And that's it. So that is it for today, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. And if you stay following me, subscribe to my channel, or stay following me on all social media channels. I'll be giving out tips more often on things you probably didn't even know that you already had at your fingertips without paying for all these different subscriptions. So, all right. Thank you for tuning in. I am Leilani, and until next time, bye. Out.